Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is beef brisket in the slow cooker, and it's a big one. Wait till you see this thing. But my mom somehow managed to get it in there and cook it all the way through. So we got it from Sam's, and it is almost 8 pounds. So you can cook a big beef brisket with this recipe. We got the seasonings from a link that my mom's going to put in the description box below. But just so you know, it worked. And it cooked the whole thing. And I think you're going to be shocked once you see the video. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Happy summer! Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, we're making a brisket, a beef brisket, Angus beef brisket to be specific. I think I got it from Sam's Club. In the slow cooker, low and slow, on low for 8 to 10 hours. This mother is 8 pounds. It is huge, but I've read some recipes and they just say stuff it in there. And I'll link this particular recipe below. We'll see how it goes, but we are using, you just stuff the brisket down in there and then you put barbecue sauce and Worcestershire. No, actually, it wasn't Worcestershire. It was soy sauce. So I'm allergic to soy. So instead, we did coconut aminos. So about 1/4 cup of that mixed with about a cup or so of barbecue sauce. So we're using Primal Kitchen's unsweetened golden barbecue sauce, allergy friendly and low carb. And then we are using the Kinder's blend. I also put that on the brisket before I put the sauces on. So, of course, you know I love that. Salt, pepper, and garlic. So that is what is on there. We are closing the lid. It is on. Look at that. Look at that. It cleared. All right, so we are going to see what happens. Low and slow, 8 to 10 hours. It's got to be 180 degrees for it to be done. So anywhere between 180 and 210, but you don't want it over 210 because then it's overcooked. So we will check the temperature as well, but 8 to 10 hours on low. Catch you on the flip side. All right, so it actually has only been 7 hours, and honestly, I think ours might have been done at 6. So it has to be 180 degrees, but you don't want it to be over 210. Ours is like 190 to 200. So I turned it off, and I'm gonna take it out. You have to let it rest for 30 minutes before you slice it, and you wanna slice across the grain. So I'll show you that. All right, so I put like a tablespoon of cornstarch into some cold water, mixed it together, made a slurry, and then put it into the juices in the slow cooker from the brisket, and then turned it on high. And it's been bubbling, so this is gonna be our gravy, or our sauce. And it's time to eat. Woohoo!